Very good morning from India. To become a master in phonic sound, you have to practice more and more and rectify. So, alphabetical pronunciation and sound. A. Its sound is not O, it's A for ant. B. That is ball, ball. C. K, 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 cat. D. Dog, drum. E. A. Sound is A, egg. F. Fish, fish. G. Go, that is gorilla. H. Ha, hen, hen. I as E, that is igloo. Iguana. J, J, that is j, jelly, jacket, etc. K, K, that is kite, kite, kangaroo, etc. L, L, sound is L, 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 lollipop. M, sound is mouse, monkey. N, its sound will be from nose. Nest. O, 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 that is O, that is octopus. P, P, sound is P, pig, P, pig. Pencil. Q, Q, sound is qua, qua, queen. R, rocket, rainbow. S, sun, snake. T, 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 that is tennis, tent. U, U, it sounds like umbrella. W, well, watermelon.